I'm growing up, I'm trying to win, and I know that I've been sinning. Lord, forgive me for my sins. I got shot, we spun the block. Cobio, he slid up on that block, was in the bins. He like them out niggas doing bad again. Leg tapping, homie, we was really head tapping back then. But niggas did bad up on them jerks, that's on my mind when we spin again. And I ain't never need no pen. Without cold turkey, we was fiending against them ends. It took no us, all my niggas know it's win. Leg tapping, homie, we was really head tapping. Arab Sound 3, all the bigger bros relaxing. If you wanna be around me, you gotta explore all these ratchets. All the smoke around me, niggas don't want this static. But they won't spin on us again. 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 They like BANDZ be talking sometimes, I don't think they comprehend. I've been on the door, they know I always stand on 10. I don't play the block, but you can get touched for dividends. RP my niggas, I know I'm through for a win. Niggas can't stab my back, I don't miss nothing, that's a fact. I told my BM I got my daughter and I'ma make it over for rap. Spending 15 on jeans, I'm really that and that's no bad. Niggas ain't fucking with me, who really make money off for rap. I'm growing up, I'm trying to win, and I know that I've been sinning. Lord, forgive me for my sins. I got shot, we spun the block. Cobio, he slid up on that block, was in the bins. He like them out niggas doing bad again. Leg tapping, homie, we was really head tapping back then. But niggas did bad up on them jerks, that's on my mind when we spin again. And I ain't never need no pen. Without cold turkey, we was fiending against them ends. It took no us, all my niggas know it's win.